Hi, I'm Ella Mills, the founder of Deliciously Ella, and I am so excited that we have partnered with Mindful Chef to create 4 delicious, healthy, plant-based recipes that you can cook at home. These recipes are all inspired by the most popular recipes on our wellness app, Feel Better. And this is my favourite of the 4 recipes. This is Miso Mushroom Rice with tofu and broccoli. So first up, you're just going to add the rice to a pan and boil for about 12 minutes. While that's cooking, quarter the chestnut mushrooms, finely chop the onion, cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces and half the lemon. You're then going to add the dried porcini mushrooms into a jug with 300 ml of boiling water and just leave them to infuse. This adds so much flavour to the dish. Then just fry up the onion and the garlic, season with sea salt and cook for say 4 to 5 minutes. At that point, add the porcini and chestnut mushrooms and cook it all together for another 5 minutes or so. You're then going to add the half-cooked rice, miso, coconut milk and the soaking mushroom liquid. Cover the pan with a lid and simmer it all together for 20 to 25 minutes and it is going to be bursting with flavour. While that cooks, you're just going to fry up the tofu 8 to 10 minutes until it's crisp and golden. Trim the broccoli, fry that for another 2 or 3 minutes. And then once you get to the end, you're just going to stir the spinach through the rice to wilt. Squeeze in the juice from half a lemon to taste, and then serve it by spooning the rice onto plates alongside the broccoli and tofu. This recipe is completely nutritionally balanced, which I think is so important. I know it's something that people can worry about on a plant-based diet, and it's a fab recipe to introduce plant-based flavours to people who are new, as it is so flavoursome. I hope you love it.